The bounce effect is a must-have effect for motion designers, making animations look very smooth and appealing. Previously, to add a bounce effect to an animation, we had to click the keyframe button once while holding down the Alt key, then the expression panel would open where we would type our expression. Yes, this was very useful, but it was time-consuming and a bit cumbersome. But now, with just one click, you can easily create bounce animations in position, scale, or rotation. All this is thanks to this free, incredibly easy-to-install script. If you liked the video and subscribed, let's move on to downloading and installing this amazing script. First, open your browser and type the words you see in the search bar. Then, go to the official website of this script, BOUNCr Media. As you can see on the page that opens, it's completely free. Then, type anything here, for example, 0, and then click the download button. In the next window that opens, you can enter your name, surname, email, and account number. It's optional. Then select your country, check the box here, and click the Place Order Now button. It says 0 here, meaning it's completely free. Then click the Download button. The file has been downloaded. Now let's install it. Go to Downloads, right-click on the file, and extract it from the zip. Then open the extracted file and copy the JSXBin file. Then go to the C drive and open the Programs files. Open the Adobe folder, then the After Effects folder. Go to Support Files, Script, then open the Script UI panel and paste the JSXBin file you copied here. I did the installation beforehand, that's why it turned out like this. But you will open a different window and click the Continue button there, and thus the installation will be complete. Now let's open After Effects and see how the script looks. Let's quickly create a composition. Go to the window and open the script. Since I opened it before, a checkmark is visible here. After you activate it, a checkmark will appear here. And our script is now here. We can create animations as we want. Now let's see how it's done. Now there's a shape here. First, let's close their eyes so there's no confusion. Yes, there's a shape here. Open the position for the animation and activate its keyframe. We go forward 5 frames and leave the position as it is. Go back to the first frame and adjust the position like this. Now comes my favorite part. Let's go to the script and select the position. I'll show you the others later, but for now, let's choose the position. And as the expression, let's select Overshoot. Then click Bounce once, and that's it. The bounce animation is ready. Perfect. And even better, it's easy to control. You can easily change the amplitude, frequency, or decay values appropriately from the effects control. Now let's add a bounce effect within the rotation. Let's set the ending keyframe value to 100 and the starting value to, say, -27. Then select Rotation and click the Bounce button. Very good. A fantastic animation with one click. Now let's do the same thing for scale. Let's set the ending value to 100 and the starting value to 85. And go to Script, select Scale, and click Bounce. Perfect. A professional animation. If we open the other layers and connect them to this layer, the image will be even better. That's great. If you don't want to waste time on your animations, I think you should download this free and fantastic script. You can like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next videos.